I hear the train rolling around me. I ain't seen a sunshine. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. And I keep dragging on. And that train keeps rolling down the track. Well, now yesterday, Mama told me something. Always be a big boy. Don't ever play with her. That's why I'm just to walk and die. And that train keeps rolling. I'm in my head and cry. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking in Dixie Lord. I know I can't be free. That train keeps rolling, but what calls the Jersey? From the prison, that the railroad train was back. How could I move it on? Down the line, north of the trip. That's where I want to stay. And that train keeps rolling, and blow my blues away. And that train keeps rolling, and blow my blues away. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, that was fit. This is older brother, Bobby. John Sneer. Sorry, John.
A lot of people make that mistake. This is basically Kansas City. I'd like to do a song that this is an old kind of blues song that was recorded on an early album with Conway Twitty. I'd like to dedicate this song to my wife and the woman I love, and let's just hope they never meet. I've always been. This is called I Don't Want No Woman Telling Me What to Do. your man, I want tonight. Don't let you boss me, baby. I lay down the telling me what to do. Well, I've grown out of it, just as grown as you. Well, I've grown out of it, just as grown as you. Thank you. I could bring back my big brother just like he said I had to.
I used to be older sometimes. A long time forgotten, the dream that just fell by the way. Everybody like they promised, what she let in the day.
But she never complains of the bad times.